This guide will show you how to create a Workspot template on Amazon EC2. Start by setting up an EC2 instance using a private AMI, which is derived from an exported VM from your virtualization setup. Once you've logged into your EC2 instance, head to download.workspot.com and download the latest client. Next, open the command prompt as an administrator and start the Workspot agent installation. Enter your Workspot control admin account information when prompted, and then proceed by clicking OK twice and Finish. Then go to the C Program Data Workspot Agent directory. Then go to the C Program Data Workspot Agent directory. Access the properties of the config file, select the Security tab, and ensure the administrator has full control. Move to C, Program Files, Workspot Agents, and open the Workspot config editor. Here, input your domain join details, including your domain, service account, domain again, and OU. Click Submit, followed by OK. In the AWS console, under Actions, go to Image and Templates. Here, create an AMI using the same name as your EC2 instance. Select Create Image. Finally, in Workspot Control, click on the EC2 Cloud configuration. Choose Register Template, select your region, and click Search. After selecting your template, click Save to complete the process.